If you are looking a software to convert Exchange EDB files to Outlook PST file, then try Aryson EDB to PST Converter software. This software supports to export public or private Exchange folder mailboxes to Outlook PST, MSG, EML, PDF, MBOX, and Office 365. Software features. Excellent features of Aryson EDB to PST Converter software. It supports to easily scans large-sized corrupted EDB file. Supports all versions of Exchange Server EDB files including Exchange 2013 and 2016. It allows to export mailboxes items according to date range and specific items to PST file. Supports to migrate Exchange mailboxes to Office 365. Demo version allows to export up to 25 items from EDB to PST for free. Now let's installing and run the software and check out working process. Download Aryson EDB to PST Converter and runs. Click on Browse button to select EDB and STM File. Now select EDB file version from drop-down list. You can select recovery mode option like Standard, Advice and Deep from drop-down list of select recovery mode. Now check non-English characters to recover non-English email items. Check handle alignment error in EDB file. Now click on Browse button to select folder to save temporary file. Click on Next button to scanning process start. Now you can preview your EDB mailbox items after scanning process. If you want to save snapshot to click on Save Snapshot option. Then save recover item snapshot at the selected path or location. Click on Save button. Now new pop-up windows open. Check Remove duplicate items on basis of, then remove duplicate items from recovered EDB mailboxes according to, from, subject, and date. Date range filter allows to save email items according to date range. Select start date and end date after that click on Add button then save email according to date range. In Save As option. When you select Save in PST then your EDB mailboxes save into Outlook PST file. If you choose Save in Office 365 then click on Next button. Then open new pop-up windows now enter Office 365 login credentials then your EDB mailboxes save into Office 365. If you chose Save in EML, MSG and other formats option and click on Next button then new pop-up windows open after that you can select file format option like EML, MSG, MSG Unicode, Text, MBOX, PDF and HTML from Save As click on Next button to successfully save your EDB mailboxes. Now we select Save in PST. Click on Next button now new pop-up windows open. If you want to create new PST file, then choose option Create New PST and select folder path where you want to save then click on Next button. When you check option Split PST file after then save your EDB mailboxes as multiple PST file according to size. If you choose option Save in Existing PST then click on Browse button and select Existing PST file then click on Next button. Now save your EDB mailboxes to PST file successfully. Click on OK button and now you close the application. Thank you for watching the video. For more updates subscribe the channel. You can follow us on Facebook, Twitter and LinkedIn.